Have a blessed day, everyone, and today I'm gonna show you around. I'm just gonna show you a little bit what's happening, what's going on here in a little town. There's no power. They said no power club. There is no electricity going on 3 days now, and our house is a mess. So you can see, yeah. We don't have gas heater, so we have electric heaters. So we're gonna use generator. Husband is fixing it right now because last night it suddenly cut off because of an old wire. So he bought a new wire to fix it, and we're just using a gas tank right here to cook or to heat up, because the generator can only run the fridge, our fridge and the freezer, and that's it, and the lights. But other than that, like other appliances like the microwave, the oven, it cannot run everything. So our house is a mess. Yeah, messy, and we need to boil hot water there to get a shower. So let me check my husband what he's been doing at the generator. You put the new cable, hon? Be careful, huh? What you doing?
Melting this end right here.
Melting it?
Yes. Shrink. It makes it shrink down this water.
Actually, this is a welding machine, but it can be a generator too. So we worked this out last night.
It got buried up in the mud.
It got buried in the mud. So we tried to pull it by the truck. I buy the four-wheeler, but it didn't work. So I still tried to tell him to we can make it by pulling it by the truck. So I told him not to give up, and he made it last night before it gets dark. So he'd be able to pull it, because it was stuck in there. Yeah, the ground there is very soft. That's why it's full of mud. Bit it's 29 degrees. So for this experience, I'm just gonna share for you something to learn, and to get prepared for this kind of situation. So before the snow comes, of course, you should think of having a extra gas tank. If you only have electric heater and all that, so you should also have a generator, at least a small one, in case of emergency. And of course, yeah, you should have like a spare of 2 or 3 gas tank, and we've learned to have, we should have a mini portable gas stove. So because we have electric gas stove, so yeah, I saw something like 2 burner and something like a camping gas stove that you can grill as well. So we should get that one later. We gotta have one. So that's what we've learned on this situation. And then of course we have a lot of candles or battery candles, something like a rechargeable tools that you can charge your phone. You can check on Lowe's or Home Depot, some that you can charge your phone. Of course, in case of emergency, communication is very important. Flashlight, of course. You should have flashlight with batteries. You should have extra batteries. And yeah, the food, water. I think that's it. So we learned something on this situation. So that's why I'm sharing this. This thing happens was like 30 years ago, maybe around something like that. That's been winter storm, snowing for days, that will damage the cable wires because of the 3 branches that fell down and hit the cables and all that. So it's been a while since this situation happened. So yeah, as plus the town has no equipment for salting the road, spreading salt on the road to prevent accidents. And so it's kind of sad. So now tell me, how did you fix it?
Alright, what we have here today is a Lincoln SA250 welding machine.
Okay.
It's old.
It's old. How old is that? What model? What year model is that?
Exactly what year.
Okay. Anyway,
it's my dad's old welder.
All right.
And the problem we had was that we've been without power here. We've had an ice storm, so I was going to use it for electricity. Well, I got it all out and got it up and running. Runs great, runs fine, cranks every time. But we had it all hooked up and was using lights in the house, and just quit producing current. So I got on YouTube and looked around. There wasn't a whole lot of research on SA250. There's a lot of research out there on the 200s that have the old the torpedo coming out the back. So this is here is what we come and how we got it back fixed.
Okay.
Okay. Stick the camera up in here. You got 2 copper split rings right here, and it's kind of like points in a way. If you can really see this camera, I'm gonna do the best I can. But what I did is this 3rd wire right here, it will, I don't know if you can see the light going there or not. And I'm sorry about this video, not the best video in the world. Just trying to help somebody out if you're in a bind. Okay, you can see it moving there. When I pick it up, see light come in between it. What I done is I took some 400 grit sandpaper and cleaned that, and it went back to producing current. And I done the same thing. Now I have not checked this to see the current, but to my knowledge, this is the 120. This is the 120 side, and this here is the 220 side. And like I said, I'm not a welder, and I'm not real familiar with these machines. I'm just trying to rough it and make it. So I hope this helps y'all out. Y'all have a great day.
All right. Thank you, hon.
You're welcome.
So guys, finally, my husband fixed the generator or the welding machine as a source of electricity. So the most important for us right now is to have lights and to work all the lights, and then of course our freezer and our fridge, our refrigerator. So that's the most important right now, and that's the only thing that the generator can supply. So I wish the washer and the dryer can work as well, but that's too much current, he said, my husband said, so it won't be able to work. So yeah, and at least we can also watch TV. We can plug in all our gadgets, the Wi-Fi box, the laptop, to charge all the cell phone, and that's it. So we googled and YouTube research last night, and we can find a lot of research about how to fix that. But yeah, so finally he figured out something else. He's almost about quitting and giving up, but I still believe in him. And he's my MacGyver. He really fixes things, and I just need to push him not to give up. So thank God, it's all fixed and we're gonna survive. I don't know yet when we're gonna have our power back on. So at least we're gonna survive with this. So guys, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed, and I hope we helped you in a way, the best we could. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to keep you updated on our next video. Bye. Keep safe, everyone. So guys, yeah, day 4. So we're still using this boiler to heat up and make hot water for our shower and for cooking as well. Like I had this frozen chicken legs, so I put hot water on it, so it's ready to put on the grill. And of course, using this this generator, so we'll be able also to use our pellet grill. This one, yes, our pellet grill. So we're using pellets. Yeah. So I'm ready to grill the chicken legs, and as you can hear, the generator. So yeah, and my husband's still working out to also supply the electric water heater, so we can have a hot shower. But I said it's okay. So if it's gonna be hard, at least we have lights. At least I can cook rice in my mini rice cooker. Yeah, finally I'll be able to eat rice. And then of course, the most important, as I said, at least we get back our fridge on and our mini freezer. So that's it, and all the lights. And of course, we can also watch movie. We got our TV on, and yeah, this is our what we use for our bedroom to make it warm. This is our gas heater from our camper. Yes, it's a portable gas heater. It's off right now because the temperature is I think 50. The temperature is 61, so not so cold. Yeah, the TV is working. So the TV is working, and yes, we can be able to plug in also our Wi-Fi box so we can watch a movie later. And that's it for now. It's day 4, so I hope soon tomorrow we'll get a power back on.